Hello everyone, friends. Welcome to the Weller channel. Today I'll show you how to send an email using Gmail. To do this, let's go to Gmail. We'll see this interface, right? To write an email, click the Compose button, select who will receive this message by entering their email address in the recipient field. Here's where you put the subject and the message text. You can also attach files, links, emojis, Google Drive access, images, or even videos. Oh, you can add a signature too. See? If you click these three dots, you can print the email and more. You can also schedule a meeting. You can delay sending by scheduling a specific delivery date. That's everything. This has been Weller. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye, everyone.